Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. This house is a homeowner's dream. It is situated in the modern, aesthetically pleasing parish of Manchester, Jamaica. It has several functionalities and is move-in ready for the purchaser. It sits on almost quarter acre of land. This split-level house has kitchen built-ins, 4 fireplace, double car garage, and a full-length indoor swimming pool. Yes, I said it, an indoor swimming pool. Perfect for those chilly nights that Mandeville is known for. It is also equipped with a full bar for your private events. This property is a must-see and must-buy. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 58 million or US $376,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.